Cryptocurrency, or crypto for short, is a type of digital currency that uses encryption techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or bank. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been developed, each with their own unique features and uses. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger, called a blockchain, which is distributed across a network of computers and is designed to be resistant to tampering and hacking. One of the key benefits of cryptocurrencies is their ability to facilitate fast, secure, and low-cost transactions, particularly across international borders. They also offer greater privacy and anonymity than traditional forms of payment. Cryptocurrencies are also subject to volatility and are often associated with speculation and investment risk.